Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share two stocks which I think it has potential to give good returns on a long term basis. In case if you are new to my channel, you can watch the previous videos. Almost all the stock I have analyzed perform well during this market. Please watch the video until it ends so that you can understand how I analyzed every stock. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you cannot miss any of my upcoming videos. At the end of the video, I have provided one bonus tips. So let's get started. The name of the stock which I am going to analyzing is Indian Energy Exchange. If you look at the chart on a weekly time frame, the stock has been in downtrend for nearly 315 days. If we look at the chart on a daily time frame, let me zoom out the chart for better understanding. Now you can see that the stock is making a lower low, lower high pattern. As per the market structure, if the stock is making the lower low, lower high pattern, it is in a downtrend. Now the stock has taken support near this demand level. If you zoom in the chart, you can see that this high is broken. Now the trend has changed. And one more confirmation is the stock is making a divergence pattern. In simple terms, divergence means the stock price is falling, but RSI is positive. This is known as positive divergence. Now I have seen one pattern. It is not a exact inverted head and shoulder pattern. It is similar to inverted head and shoulder pattern. Here we consider this as left shoulder. This is head portion. Now it is similar to right shoulder. If we on Monday, if close is above 145, then definitely the trend has changed. I am considering this stock is for long term only. So if there is any dip, definitely I will add. My stop loss for this stock is around 125. If in the upcoming days, if weekly close is above 152, then I will do pyramiding, which means I will add more quantities. For short term, if daily close is above 144, you can enter into this trade, and the target for short term traders are 152, and for long term the second target is 175. And if you are willing to hold this stock, then third target is 233. If my third target is achieved, which is 60% from the current level. If you look at the fundamentals of the stock, I am using Money Control Pro version for checking the fundamentals. They are suggesting this stock is a strong performer. This stock has provided a dividend of around 1.38%. The 52-week high of this stock is 303. The 52-week low is 133. If you look at the shareholding pattern, mutual fund have increased their holding from 15% to nearly 18%. If you look at the price performance, the stock has delivered around 201% in the 3 years. Around 1 year, the stock is in downtrend. So it has a negative returns of around minus 44%. Another advantage is DAI have increased their shareholding during this quarter. These are the factors I have considered. The second stock under consideration is from IT sector. The name of the stock is Wipro Limited. In the last 2 days, almost all the IT stock has rallied up because in the US, employee data is lesser than expected. So almost all the IT stocks have performed well in the last 2 days. If you look at this Wipro chart on a weekly time frame, here we can see that the stock has broken this trend line and gave a returns of around 121%. Now if the stock come to this level which is around 365, then only I will take a fresh entry in this stock. Suppose if the stock come to 365, here we can see that there is a demand zone also and this trend line also. Then definitely we can expect a good reversal. If this stock does not retest this level and it move upward, then after 447 only I am taking a fresh positions. The reason why I am taking fresh position after 447 is as per market structure. Now the stock is making lower low, lower high patterns. We can clearly see this pattern. If weekly close is above 447, then you can see that this lower high is broken. Then the trend has changed. The first target is around 526. The second target is 609 and third target is 724. Suppose you can assume if you taken fresh position after 447, then the third target is which is 60% from the current level. As all you know, Wipro is one of the leading company in the IT sector. The reason why I am choosing Wipro is, as per my knowledge, Wipro is the cheapest stock in the IT sector. If you look at the fundamentals of Wipro, Money Control has suggesting this stock is a strong performer. It has provided a dividend of around 1.50%. The 52-week high of the stock is 726, 52-week low is 372. The book value per share is 119. The only advantage is institution investors have increased their holdings rapidly from 10.41% to 16.84%. This stock has a good promoter holding of around 72.95%. If we look at the price performance, the stock has delivered 55% in the last 3 years. For the past 1 year, the stock is in downtrend. So it has a negative returns of around minus 37%. But this stock, now it's good time to accumulate this stock because it has a good fundamental. The bonus tips is last time I have suggested Max Healthcare near this level, which is around 392. It has given a returns of around 22% in 49 days. Now here it provides one more opportunity to enter now. Here we can see that this stock is retesting this broken level which is around 440. 1. One can take a fresh entry at the current level. The stop loss can be placed near 408. The targets are 521, which is 17% from the current level. If you want me to analyze any of the stock, please let me know the name of the stock in the comment section. If you like my analysis, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Let's catch up in another video.